Welcome to the channel. In this video, we'll cover this lab. Simply click on Start Lab. And just open the console incognito window. Now here, click on I understand. Now here, click on I agree and continue. Now from here, just type spanner. Click on it. Remove this unwanted pop-up from here. Scroll down a bit. Okay. So we have to just click on it. I think they have updated the UI a lot. Now here we have to select creator provisioned. Okay, we have done this thing. Now we have to select enterprise and continue. Instance name will be test instance. Instance ID already done. Now we have to choose your configuration. It's regional US Central 1. So depending on your region, you have to just select it. Okay, you can drag and means you can just scroll down and select also. Now manual allocation, all things we don't have to make any changes. Just click on create. It will take some time. Instance has been created. Now we have to create a database. So it's just creating. Now from here, just click on create database. Now for the database name, we have to just copy the name from here, paste the name, and just click on create. So we have done first and second task. Oh, we have done only first task. Now we have to create a table over here. So just come over here, click on create table. Now we have to remove this query. Okay. And simply run it. Means we have replaced the query from the lab instruction and we are waiting for the output over here. It will take few minutes, and if you want you can check the score also. So it's taking some time, so wait for it. So finally it is updated. Now come over here and check the score. So this is how we completed the lab. To like the video and just subscribe the channel.